Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorial how to rename a block. So as example I will create block, you can type circle and use block commands to create a block. For the name I will set into example. Click pick base point, I will set into center point, and for entities you can select the circle object. Don't forget, click on convert to blocks and click OK. Now, if you want to change this object block's name, you can type rename and press enter. Now you can choose the block option. So there are the items, one example. You can click and you can set rename to like into circle. Click rename to and you can click OK. So if you select the block, it will be set into the circle on the name. Okay, I will change again. You can type rename, press enter, select block option, select the items, and then I will rename into number 2. Click rename to button and click OK. So the block will be automatically renamed. Okay, that's it for basic ZWCAD tutorial, how to rename a block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.